to DMP Training Center. I'm Aaron McGee, and today we're going to talk about the new and improved 711S Single Zone Expander. With this new change, we are removing the dials that you use to set the address for the 711S. The 711S will now include a 10-digit serial number that you use to program into the panel. So you and your technicians no longer have to worry about setting those dials correctly and messing with those at all. Those are completely removed. All you have now is that 10-digit serial number. This is going to create a new and efficient process for you and your teams to be able to quickly program that zone into zone information. Now, the 711S operation, even though it no longer has those rotary dials to set the address, the operation still stays the same. It is still a single zone expander, still takes up one zone if you are on the LX bus. Now, if you are on the keypad bus, remember, the keypad bus does operate a little bit differently. So if you program in a 711S as, let's say, address 4 on the keypad bus, that's going to give you a zone 41. You'll program it in as zone 41. You then lose the ability to have zone 42, 43, 44 on that address. So really, the 711S was designed to go on the LX bus. You'll want to use your 4-zone expanders like the 714 series and have that on the keypad bus. So really, that 711S is great for use with LX bus expansions. Now, the 711S was designed to fit in very small places. So as you can see here with this unit, it's a very small PCB, has your flying leads. This is designed to fit in back boxes of, let's say, a pull station or something of that nature. But all of that operation stays the same. It wires the same to the LX bus or keypad bus. It wires to the zone the same. The only thing that's changing for you and your teams is the way that you address it / program it into the system. So let's actually take a look at how you get this programmed into the system. So I'm going to jump into dealer admin. I've already selected my system, gone to full programming. I'm in zone information, and we will quickly add this new 711 zone. I have chosen zone 541. Now I'm going to type in the name for that zone. I'm going to choose fire because I'm using this for a pull station. Then you'll notice you now have a spot to enter in that 10-digit serial number. I'll enter that now. And once that serial number is entered, that's all I have to do. It's as simple as that. I can then send this zone programming down to the control panel. So that is very simple, very quick and easy. Now, one great thing about this programming from dealer admin is you can use the pre-programming ability from dealer admin. So what your technician would then do is they show up on site, they install everything, get everything up. Once they power on that system and it communicates out to dealer admin, if you have auto programming turned on, all of that information that you pre-programmed could then be sent down to that control panel, and all your technician has to do is go check all those zones, test the system, make sure everything is working. They didn't have to worry about programming any of that information in. Now, if they are going to be programming that themselves, there's a couple of ways they can do that. Obviously, we've seen from dealer admin, you can easily program that in. Or if your technicians have access to the tech app, they can actually scan the barcode that is on the 711S that will populate the serial number for them in that zone information programming when they're in that field. So that's a really quick and easy way to do that from tech app. And of course, if they're doing local programming from a keypad, they have the ability to type that in at the keypad as well. So several different ways to get that programmed in, but it's very easy and convenient for you and your teams. For more information about the 711S, visit dmp.com and check it out. Thanks for your time, and thanks for your business.